take your circle and fold it in half. Take your half circle from the center and fold one side over to make an equal looking triangle. This side should look the same as this side right here. You know they're the same size? We'll take the right side and fold it over, and if it comes equal to the edge right there and here, let's check on the inside. It looks good. It's the same size. If it's not, we adjust the size inside to make the triangles the same. So you've got one triangle here from the center of that half circle. Fold it over the other triangle. Nice crisp fold. Make sure that you've got a nice point here at the tip. If this doesn't come perfectly even, that's okay, because we may or may not be cutting. For example, once you find the center in here and you fold your triangle over, look carefully at how big this is, this arc, this angle here, this curve. Is it the same size as this side? This side's angle is larger than this side. So we have to move this over just a little bit more, recrease, and let's see. One angle should almost match the other angle. That looks pretty good. So let's fold this over and make sure that they come together nice and neat with a point on the top. It's flush, which means equal on this side, and not quite flush there. So let's pull it a little bit more and adjust. Looking good. Now, if you would like to, you can change the outside shape of the snowflake by making simple cut. You don't have to do this. You can leave it any way you want. I'm just going to take a little bit and trim this. You could make a little more cuts. You could make it more rounder. Just make sure you don't cut this point right here, because then you'll have a big hole in your snowflake. I think I might like to fix that a little bit more. There. When we open it up, we should have 6 arms or lines. Let's count them. See how this changed the outside a little bit? This looks like a flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good to go. What it looks like if you don't cut the outside. A nice radial snowflake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! You design your snowflake, you're going to start with the middle, how you want it to look, and then each of the 6 arms you're going to try and draw as best as you can the very same image on all 6 arms. But start from the middle so you know where to begin your arms. As I go along from line to line, I'm just making a straight line. You can be doing this in crayon or pencil. And if you want to embellish it a little bit, you can put something on the line here. I mean, just anything that you want. Mine ended up looking like a flower. Look at that. But you can make any kind you want. Refer to the pages that I gave you with actual snowflakes. And then you can make it up as you go along, and you're going to create one beautiful arm of the snowflake on each of the 6 lines. If I used this design here, I have to use it on every single line. If they don't look exactly the same, no snowflake grows exactly the perfect Each one is a little bit different, even their arms. Depends on atmospheric conditions. If you like it like that, then it's time to color. If you want to add more, go ahead and add more. But add it according to each section being the same. A little more added in there. I think I want just a little bit more. Make it up as you go along. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to trace the pencil lines with a dark color, like dark purple, dark blue, even black would work. And then we're going to color the arms the same color, just as we drew them. They have to be colored the same. You can leave this part white. You can add more to your design. You can color in this part with a cool color if you like. You can create any kind of design around your snowflake. And to be a little bit different, I use hot colors on here and finished it up with cool colors around. What will yours look like?